I think one of the best things about Great Books as a program is the way it puts you with a bunch of other like-minded people that share the same interests as you. You go back home and you have all these skills that you've learned and you know how to communicate better and articulate better. You're all around just a smarter person after coming to Great Books.
It's really amazing to meet people that just love to read and write and relate to me. It's really nice to meet people from all around the world too.
I think that Great Books has taught me how to think critically. Great Books has really helped me grow and change as a thinker. I've learned how to read really difficult text and how to break it down and how to synthesize information. I have found in years spent at Great Books, I've been thinking more and I've been listening more, really learning to listen.
It's not like school where they're like arbitrary commitments and grading. Learn just for the sake of learning. You can really just learn what you want to learn about, and it really lets you grow as a person.
Maybe buy their dress.
Hi everybody, it's really nice to see all of you.
It could be set early 20th century, and during that time, the opera was quite prominent as part of high society.
Excellent.
The seats on the side, since they aren't usually ideal seats, I thought maybe we're not actually being allowed to see the whole picture since it was only painted on the side. There are probably more people as you go farther into the theater.
You meet the best people at Great Books. They're all so weird and so smart and so funny and so talented. You don't meet people like that very often.
I don't even know how to count how many brushstrokes, which means some human being made a deliberate decision about each one of these brushstrokes.
I consider myself very lucky that I have so many friends from here who will probably be my friends for life.
I don't think that it's a warm painting because of all the blue. It makes me think that it's a more colder setting.
Slow down, all the blue. Take me to the painting. Where is the blue?
They look like nature, almost like tree branches.
I agree with Max that there is definitely some sort of connection to nature.
Applying here my first year was probably one of the best decisions I've ever made because this place is honestly my second home. I've learned so much here. It's made me become a better writer, better critical thinker, and I honestly don't think I would be anywhere near the person I am today if I hadn't applied to Great Books.
Great Books gives me the confidence to speak my ideas freely at home. For someone who is rather timid, I find that being surrounded by a bunch of people who are active listeners and want to hear how you process information, what you bring to a table, it makes me feel like I can go home to my English, history, whatever class, and it reminds me of how valuable my ideas are.
I would totally recommend Great Books to a friend because everyone deserves a chance to share their ideas.
Great Books helps make you a much more proficient thinker and debater all around. And it also helps you develop your critical thinking skills, your ability to visualize more abstract concepts that are harder to just be taught in the classroom. Great Books can help you with all of those.